Today, Fight for Firefighters is finally getting to put my ramp up here after 14 weeks of fighting with the HO.
We're the Fight for Firefighters Foundation. We started in 2017, and we started because firefighters and the guys in the FDNY weren't able to get in and out of their houses once they got World Trade Center cancer. Timmy Klein and Stephen Pollard were big parts of our organization, and now every ramp that we do, we build in their name.
Personally, it's touching my heart.
You're outside, buddy. See ya. You're outside. You're free.